Hello, welcome back to our lesson. In previous lessons, we have learned the 4 terms and the rules. Now, we are going to learn more about the pronunciation of the terms. Today, we will be having a deeper view of the sound change. But what do you mean by sound change? Why I have to change the sound? That is because some terms, if they are pronounced together, the sound is not easy to pronounce. To make this situation better, we have some rules to change the sound. Now, let's take a look at them. The first situation is the third term change. When 2 third terms are next to each other, the first one changes to the second term. For example, 你好 are 2 third terms. Then, when we pronounce them, we change 你 to 你, so it's 你好. We have more examples here. Just read after me. 手表老虎洗手买水辅导可以小鸟起早 Now it's your turn to finish the exercise here and hand in your homework to my WeChat or WhatsApp. Now, we are looking at the second situation, the tone changes of 一, which means 1 in English. When it is read independently or it is at the end of a word, 一 is pronounced as 一. When it precedes a first, second, and third term, 一 is pronounced as 一. When it precedes a fourth term, 一 is pronounced as 一. As you can see from this change here, 一 precedes first, second, and third term becomes 一 precedes first, second, and third term, and 一 precedes the fourth term becomes 一 precedes the fourth term. Now, let's take a look at some examples. 一天一年一本一个周一 Now is your turn. Read the following words and record them into an audio file, then send it to me. The third situation is to change the term of 不, which literally means no in English. The sound of 不 does not change when it stands by itself or precedes a first, second, or third term. When it precedes a fourth term, 不 is pronounced as 不. The rule can be listed as the below format. 不 precedes first, second, third term. Still, it's 不 precedes first, second, and third term. 不 precedes fourth term becomes 不 precedes fourth term. Now, let's take a look at some examples. 不听不学不想不去 Now it's your turn. Read the following words according to the rule we just learned, and record them into an audio file, then send it to me. Now here, we will be learning the 5th term, which actually is a special way to pronounce in a word. The 5th term is also called the neutral term, we should pronounce it light and soft. Here are some examples. Read after me. 妈妈，我们回来，你的朋友，哥哥，你们出去。Okay, that's the lesson for today, and you will find that you have many tasks to do after this class. Please record them in separate audio files and send them to me. For students attending the online classes, you should hand in homework in the class group. For students watching this online, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp to get instructions. See you in the next lesson.